From April 2018, J-codes will come into force and will allow further categorization of charges and expenses incurred during a litigation matter based on the experience of the litigator. You can record J-codes when posting time in Osprey Approach. In order for this area to be available when time recording, a supervisor-level user will need to set up the relevant access. Navigate to the Fee Earners area of the Supervisor menu. You may now edit the relevant fee earner. You can select a grade here. You can select relevant start and end dates here. Once the end date has passed, the fee earner's current grade will increase. Please note that if several fee earners will be time recording using J-codes, they'll all need to have the correct grade selected. If you navigate to the Code Setup area of the Supervisor tab, you'll see these three options. Task codes define the task being performed and can be mapped to one of the 10 available phases. Select the mapping from this drop-down list and then save. You may also add new task codes if you wish. Simply enter the relevant details and save. We will now look at the activity codes. Once selected, a list of activity codes available as default will appear. Activity codes can be edited as required. New activity codes can also be added as required. Similar to activity codes, there are also expense codes available. Expense codes can also be edited and added. Phase limits can be set in the time recording area. These will flag up any phases approaching a certain percentage of the estimated costs. Select the option for phase limits under the Time Recording tab. Select Add. You can now add a phase limit as required. Simply enter the relevant details and then select Save. You can add a limit for each phase. We are now ready to time record with J-codes. For all matters where the fee earner has a grade, you'll have the ability to add J-code data. On the posting screen, you'll be able to select your task and activity codes. Fill in the rest of the information and post the time as you normally would. You can see the grade and codes displayed. We've now added a second posting, this time without codes. To add codes to a posting, select the corresponding codes icon. You may now select the relevant task and activity code. If a code is incorrect, you may edit it by selecting the Edit icon. We will now go to the client ledger and look at adding an expense code to a posting. To view the expense codes on the ledger, tick this box. Select the Add icon to enter the details. Select the Edit icon to make any changes to the codes. J-code tasks and activities can be entered when posting time with the timer, adding a new line on a timesheet, and when saving your standard documents with time recording. You may also create a report to capture J-code data. Thank you for watching.